Hi everyone, today we will be learning how we can add photo effects to our images. So the process is very simple. Go to pixoate.com, select the photo effects from here. Then just select the image which you want to check those effects for. Let's say we want to do for this particular image for now. Yeah, you can see we got the news. So you can select from here like whatever effect you want to apply. So let's say we have the vibrant colors, then we have black and white, so half black and white, and you can you customize options from here, like whether you want that to be horizontally or vertically. I think I will choose some different image so that you can see it in live. I will be choosing this image so that we can better see all the effects in working conditions. So over here vibrant colors, then we have the butterfly effect. So then we have half black and white. You can see it is like right now if I do it horizontally it will be half. I can do it diagonally, I can do it radially. So you can customize that from the output options. So let's say we see other options. Then we have image boxes. You can customize from everything from here, like intensity, other stuff, what is the box size you want, bigger, smaller, so it totally depends. Then I will be, let's say I set the default, then I select some others. Then diagonal cut is there, night effect is there, sky effect is there. So you can maybe I think I will select the incentives more intensity. Then you can see the black and white classic effects, Barbie pink. There are a lot of you can select from depending on what you like you want smooth skin, you can select from there. Glitter effect is there, so it takes little bit of time to put that into the images. So just let's wait for a while. So you can see it, you get a glitter effect. So it is you can download it in GIF format, and you can select the intensity, like how much intensity you want. Let's see other effects in working. You have this one, you have summer 10, then web core, you have the cinematic one. So glitch effect is there, which we used to see many times, and so it is pretty popular one. Then we have the noise effect, which this is also very popular one. Then we have the speed blur, and this is also another very decent effect. You can see how nicely done that effect. Then we have the running one. Yeah, you can see. And then this is the jumping one. So there are a lot of effects. You can keep doing all that stuff and seeing. Then we have this water illusion, multiple effects are there. So it totally depends on how you want to. Yeah, illusion is there, optical illusion is there, then online effect is there, so you can do that. Then green screen is there, and then there are multiple you can customize it according to your needs. So this one is different, this is different, this is retro DB, vintage retro, kind of very famous. Then this is HDR effect, you can choose shape cut also. You can see like which shape you want to. Let's say we want to do triangle, we want to do a diamond, so totally up to you how you want to do that. And there are multiple others. Fire effect is, this is also very popular in our site, so this is also another one. Burning effect, so totally up to you which one you want to do, select. So you can change the intensity from here. Let's say we want to reduce it little bit, so you can do all that stuff from here. If you want the vibrant colors, so you can see there are multiple And not just there, if you want, there might be some effects might not be there. You can directly search from there, like let's say I want dual tone, maybe so there are multiple, you can choose from there. So we hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. And then you can click on download, and you can see earlier and before, so depending on your stuff.